tayo dito. Ang dami-dami kasing nangyayari ngayon sa mundo na if you will realize lang, na pinaka-powerful na tool ngayon ng tao, boses mo. Kasi ang boses natin lang ang tanging tao sa teknolohiya. Our voice is the only human in technology. Na-imagine niyo na ba kung puro text lang, no? Na-imagine niyo na ba kung puro basa lang tayo, na walang boses, walang tunog? Eh di walang buhay. Manood ka ng TV, walang tunog. Di ba? Maglaro kang computer game na walang tunog. Makinig ka sa Spotify na walang boses, puro noise or not even sound, di ba? It's boring. So nakita niyo na kung gaano makapangyarihan yung boses natin. Kaya dito sa programa natin, we promote yung voice acting as an art form. We also promote our voice to create positive social change. That makes us different from any voice talent out there. We kept on saying it. If you're against our principles, because our principle is only ours. It's CVAP principle. And mind you, until now naman, we do voiceover. That's the reason why I retired sa CVAP as a mentor is because one day, I want all of you to be a mentor din. Mentor of those people na kahit hindi sila nag-CVAP, you can share the principle of CVAP to them. Huwag natin ipagdamot kung ano natutunan natin sa CVAP.